going to show you how to clean and maintain your oven. Our first step in cleaning is going to just be using some really hot water and a sponge to get up all of the gunk that we can without using any products. Focusing on the right side to begin with, let's get some of our nice hot water and just start gently wiping around the stove. Now, if you are good about keeping your stove clean, then it shouldn't be too bad, too much trouble, and you should be able to get a lot of stuff up just with some hot water and a little bit of elbow grease. Of course, once you start letting things bake on, then you're going to have more of a problem. And if you've got grease, then no amount of hot water is going to solve that. So we're going to add a little bit of our cleaner to our sponge. You don't want to spray it directly onto the cook surface because you could accidentally get some where the gas comes out and you don't want to have to worry about that. So the all-purpose cleaner, you can see it's bubbling up a little bit and we're starting to get some of that grease off. So before you go any further, you want to try and get as much stuff up as possible before we go on to the next step, which is getting up some of our more stubborn stains.